Is your BMW X3 key fob not working? The most common issue is a dead battery. The X3 key fob typically uses a CR2032 or CR2450 battery. Replace it using a small screwdriver. It's a 5 to 10 minute job. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, the fob might need to be relearned or resynchronized with your car. Try this. Enter the car and close the doors. Insert the key and turn the ignition on for 3 seconds, then turn off. Next, hold the unlock button and press the lock button 3 times. Release the unlock button. The car door should lock and unlock, signifying a relearn was successful. If this doesn't work, check your BMW's Digital Services app, Connected Drive, for wireless key relearning options introduced in newer models. If all else fails, a professional might be needed, costing $50 to $200 at a dealership. If you have comfort access, keyless entry, and ignition failing, the problem could stem from faulty sensors, damaged antennas, or software glitches, especially in 2023-2024 models. Many of these issues are tied to firmware bugs that become apparent in cold weather or areas with electromagnetic interference. A module reset at the dealership may fix this. BMW has issued service bulletins for comfort access issues, so inquire about those. Looking ahead, BMW's digital key feature allows smartphone pairing via NFC and will reduce the reliance on physical fobs, reducing physical fob reliance by 30% in new models. Future X3 models may also have over-the-air OTA updates for fob reprogramming, eliminating the need for manual relearning. Keep in mind that app-based keys may introduce cybersecurity risks.